Hi guys, welcome to another short video about lightning photography with the GoPro. I have already made another video about that. It was more like instructions how to use that, and now I have managed for the first time to shoot a picture of a lightning bolt. Not very impressive, but at least I have made it. And this is the result, this is the outcome, and it was 30 seconds, the length of the how long I had opened the shutters. So 30-second exposure. That was pretty much really dark outside. It was in morning at 3 o'clock, and for the first time I have been able to capture some kind of lightning bolt. I mean, not really impressive. I mean, it is a CC, not a CG. I mean, that's a cloud to cloud lightning, and unfortunately not cloud to ground. But still, when we zoom in, you can see it quite clear, more or less. Yeah, I think it's not bad and definitely useful. I have been shooting 300 pictures, and that's the best picture because everything else did not show any kind of lightning bolt. But at least now we finally have it, and we have the proof that the GoPro 7 Hero or Hero 7 Black is capable to do that. But I think every GoPro down to 6, 5, or probably even the Hero 4 will be able to do that. So most of the pictures turned out like this. There were just a lot of lightning in the cloud, and then you never know, was that a lightning bolt or was it not? Was it just in the cloud, or was it a problem with the optics or with the sensor that is not capable to capture a lightning bolt, which is possible because not every camera is capable to do that. So the thing what you see here, it's a lot of black, and it's just a really small footage of this lightning storm. It is from the Wise Cam. You can see this here. It's the Wise Cam. It's like a security camera, but it's always also able to detect when lightning hits, which is good actually. But unfortunately, the sensor is not capable to capture a lightning bolt here. I have found like almost endless footage of lightning during the night on this camera, and it always looked like this. I had even lightning strikes really close. Some were super close and super bright, and it was just too bright, nothing to see. Usually when it's in a cloud it looks like this, and when it's close you have just like a white picture. There's absolutely nothing to see. I had this like 1 year ago, super close hit, and there was just nothing on it, just white, because the sensor is probably too small, too cheap. It's just not capable to do that, but it looks like the GoPro is able to do that, and that's a really good thing, and this is the thing what I wanted to show you. So we really have proof now that it really works, and what you have to do is, of course, you have to select the time lapse, and in the time lapse video you have to use the night lapse photo, and there you have to use the 30 seconds shutter time. So you have the thing here again. You click on the left, on the right side. Here on the right side you have to click the mode, switch to time lapse, photo, and then time lapse. You leave it like this. You select this button here on the left side. You go down. Sometimes it's a little bit difficult with a touch screen, but you have to go fully down, not like this. Yeah, I mean, yeah, that's another sample, but you go full down and then you select the 30 seconds shutter time. So here I have found this. Yeah, you see that night lapse photo. Click on that, let it run, and then here you should have 30 seconds here, auto and wide. I go back a little bit again. Hope we can find this night lapse photo. Yeah, and so in the detail you click on that and select shutter time 30 seconds, and yeah, then the automatic restart or automatic, can't remember what it is, and wide. I think there's no chance to select anything. Yeah, so here I found this, unfortunately, and I'm very sorry for that. It's really bad quality, but when you click on in the middle, you get to another menu where you see the shutter time. You select 30 seconds and interval. Yeah, interval was the thing. Automatic and field of view wide. I think there's no other solution for that. Regarding the shutter time, this is also important. If you have a lot of lightnings, like it flashes, I mean, you have a lightning bolt every couple of seconds, you have to go down with this time so you don't capture too many lightning bolts in one picture. If you have too many, so the picture could turn too bright, it could overexpose, and it could be bad. You have to find out, I mean, it's depending on how far it is, how close it is, how bright the lightnings are. You have to select a little bit, or do a little bit of variation and try it out and find the best time for you. I have started with 30 seconds when the lightning was far away last night. Then when the storm was a little bit closer, I switched to 15 seconds because I thought it will overexpose with 30 seconds, too many lightning. And even if it's really close and you have a lot of them, maybe you can go to 5 seconds, something like that. Of course, it will produce more pictures. You will have to do more selection after that, but it could be worse. If you have overexposed pictures, you have a really nice lightning picture, and after that it's overexposed with other lightnings which are maybe not so nice. It could be a bad thing. So I would go down. The closer and the more intense the lightning storm is, I suggest to go down a little bit with this time. But anyway, the really good thing is that we have found out that it really works. Of course, you need a small tripod, nothing weird. You can buy it for $10 or $20. It doesn't have to be something big. And of course, when you do this outside, it's even better. You see some kind of reflection from the window glass, of course. Inside it cannot be prevented totally. You see also the window here. It's not a nice picture. If you want to have it really nice, you can put the camera outside. The good thing is with the GoPro, it's waterproof. You can leave it outside. Just make sure that you are not hit by lightning. Just use the perfect settings before you put it outside, and then leave it outside till the lightning storm has disappeared. As a rule of thumb, as long as you hear thunder, don't go outside. And so anyway, I think that's it for now. 9 minutes, it's more than enough for the moment, and I will cover this definitely with another video after I've been able to catch a real nice lightning bolt, cloud ground, something like that, not a CC lightning. And that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and if you have any questions, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.